Next point is prime factorization. It is on the page number 61 of Aryabhatta class 6 math. Prime factorization. A pre-composite number can be expressed as the product of prime numbers or prime factors. Prime factorization. The process of expressing a given number as a product of prime factors is called a prime factorization of a given number. See the example number 15. Factorize 24 in all ways by factor tree method. 24. You can write here 2 into 2 and 3 into 8. Okay, and 2, 3, then 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there. So now again 2 is the prime number. So you can write here 2 into 6. 3 is a prime, then you can write it as a 3. 2 into 4, and here you can write here as it is 2 into 2, and here 6, 2 into 3. So all are here the primes. Here you just go through 2 into 3, 2 and 3, and here it is 2 into 2. So here 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Here 24 is equal to 3 into 2 into 2. And here 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. So from the above prime factorization tree, we observe that we get the same prime factors at the last level. Hence, we can say that every composite number has a unique prime factorization. Only the order of arrangement may differ. Here you can see 3 is here in the last, here also in the last, but 3 is here in the first place. So ultimately the factorization is unique, because 3 2 is and 1 3 is there, 3 2 is and 1 3 is there, 3 2 and 1 3 is there, but their order has been changed. 3 in the last position, and here also, but here in middle 3 is in the first position. That's why it is written here, every composite number has a unique prime factorization. Only the order of arrangement may differ. Example number 16. Give prime factorization of 196. So we have the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, then 11, then 13, likewise. So first we will divide by 2. So 2 will be here, and it will be 9 and 8, 98. Again we will start from the 2, and it will be 4 and 49. Now 49 cannot be divided by 3 or by 5, so we will try by 7. So 7 will be there and 7 will be there. So we stop here because all the numbers 2, 2, 7, 7 are the prime numbers. So the prime factorization of 196 is 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. So this is the prime factorization of 196. 196 is equal to 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 is the unique prime factorization of 196. So next example will be of the example number 17. Method of finding the prime factorization of a number by using short division. So here we will discuss how we will find the prime factorization by the short division method. Let us understand it by taking an example. Example number 17. Example number 17. Example number 17. Find the prime factorization of 2520 1197. 2520 and second one is 1197. So we have the prime factors, prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, then 19. So first we will divide by 2. Here it will be the 1, 2, 6, 0. Here at the unit place 7 is there, so we cannot divide by 2. So we will check by 3. Then it will be the 1 plus 1, 2, then 11 plus 7, 18. So it will be divided by 3. So again we will divide by 3. Okay. So and here we will divide by 2. So we can write here 2520 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. And here 1197 is equal to 3 into 3 into 7 into 19. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So this is the short division method to find the prime factorization of a given number.